As you know, in the RC hobby, crashes happen quite often. But with this airplane, it requires a certain new level of skill, which I just didn't have. And at the speed that this thing travels, over 100 miles an hour, it's just a very hard plane to control unless you have a very, very large environment. And that still wasn't enough space. So here's what happened. It works much better than using Velcro, because Velcro just slides anyway, so this is going to hold it in place much better. All right. Wow, this thing goes so fast. So yeah, I crashed. And it was a pretty bad one too. I crashed it in a tall tree. A very, very tall tree. Fortunately, I was lucky and smart enough to remember to record everything. So I said a quick prayer to the Lord Jesus to help me on my journey. Then I started.
Something that feels real. I need something that feels real. And I don't wanna lose my soul chasing after things that don't lead me straight to you. And I'm lost in a feeling that I ain't from this world. But going back to Eden ain't gonna be easy, but it leads me straight to you. Now I'm running like the prodigal. I don't need the money, I don't want the fame, I don't want what I can't take with me in the grave. Oh, and I don't wanna lose my soul chasing after things that don't lead me straight to you. And I'm lost in a feeling that I ain't from this world. But going back to Eden ain't gonna be easy, but it leads me straight to you. Now I'm running like the prodigal. I don't wanna lose my soul chasing after things that don't lead me straight to you. And I don't wanna lose my gaze when I meet you face to face. Well done, well, come on. Now I'm running like the prodigal. Oh, I'm lost in a feeling that I ain't from this world. That going back to Eden ain't gonna be easy, but it leads me straight to you. Now I'm running like a prodigal, lost in a feeling that I ain't from this world. But going back to Eden ain't gonna be easy, but it leads me straight to you. Now I'm running like the prodigal.